What if I told you the most digital-looking watch in the world is actually 100% mechanical, and that it was designed by the same person who created the Apple Watch? This is the Ressence Type 3 Marc Newson, and it might be the wildest timepiece you've ever seen. Ressence has always made watches that feel more like a screen than a traditional dial, but this one takes it to a whole new level. It was designed in collaboration with Marc Newson, the legendary industrial designer behind the Apple Watch and the cult favorite iPod watches of the 1990s. In other words, this isn't just a watch, it's a design statement powered by mechanical engineering. At first glance, the dial looks like it's floating on liquid. That's called the water drop effect, and it's created using a domed sapphire crystal combined with 4.15 milliliters of special oil inside the case. What you're seeing is actually an optical illusion called refraction, the same effect that happens when you look at something through water. But instead of pixels, this is all happening with physical moving parts beneath the crystal. Inside, Ressence's patented magnetically driven ROCS system rotates the discs to display the hours, minutes, running seconds, day, date, and even the oil temperature. The 45-millimeter case is made from titanium with a fully loomed dial and no traditional crown. You set it using the rotating caseback instead. And thanks to the lack of lugs, it actually wears smaller than the size suggests. It's powered by an automatic ETA base movement, but what's happening on top is unlike anything else in the watch world. Limited to just 80 pieces and priced at around $54,500, this is more than a watch. It's mechanical art. And honestly, it makes your Apple Watch suddenly feel a little boring. Would you wear something like this, or is it just too crazy? Let me know in the comments.